Hello everybody. Today we're going to be changing out the inner air filter for the cabin of the car. Especially now with the wake of Corona and all the health concerns circulating around, no better time than to refresh the quality of the air. For the lesson car, which is an 03 Civic, we have the air filter located inside the glove box. First, of course, you want to get rid of all the junk in the box. Now, once we're in here, you want to just pull the glove box up a little bit. Then you can take and pop out these little tabs right here. They're the actual brackets that are holding your glove box in. Just play around a little bit, you can pull it out. That's the part that holds it on the inside. Same thing to the other side, since I'm both. Once they're out, the box just drops down like that. With open access, we see right here is where our filter is located. We pop out the little, that already doesn't look good. Pop out the little mounting bracket behind it and pull it out. And let's take a look. Oh Lord, that is just disgusting. I wouldn't want to be breathing that. If that's what we have, and this is what we should have, I think you see the problem yourself. We'll pop out this little gem, put that to the side, and now take the opportunity just make sure that you install it the same way with the airflow going in the same direction. Boom, airflow down, airflow down. Now that we ensure it's getting installed properly, we just slip it right back in. Pop. And there we go. Easy peasy. Well, thank you for joining. This is Anton with Drive Stick Shift. Until next time.